Hi children, a very pleasant good morning to you. Yesterday, I hope that yesterday class understood. Okay children, yesterday we learned the construction of line segment and construction of triangle. Okay, how did you identify the construction of triangle? Which type of fractions, which type of construction, draw the construction. Okay, so next exercise 8.2 12th problem. Okay children, construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Then construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So here I take that the measurement of AB equal to 4 centimeters, BC equal to 5 centimeters and CA equal to 6 centimeters. So here first you observe in the yesterday class is what we observed that. So given the problem, which type of fractions are given that 2 by 3, here given that 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a proper or improper fraction? Proper fraction, because of numerator is a smaller number, denominator is a greater number, that is a proper fraction. Then you draw the diagram of inside triangle. Improper fraction means you draw the diagram of outside. Yesterday I will draw the construction, improper fraction construction. Okay, here 2 by 3 is a proper fraction, so it is inside triangle. First must and should draw the rough diagram. Okay, BC is 5 centimeters, AB 4 centimeters and CA 6 centimeters. First you draw the triangle ABC. Afterwards you take the acute angle BX. So divided the 3 parts. Because of here 2 by 3 fraction, greater number is 3. So then you divide the parts of acute angle is 3 parts. Okay children, so it is a rough diagram. Must and should draw the rough diagram. In the examination point of view, it is a 4 marks question. It is a 4 marks question. You have write that given the allotted the each and every part of marks. Okay, it is main diagram is the 2 marks. Rough diagram is the 1 mark and steps is the 1 mark. Total 4 marks. Okay. You listen carefully children, listen to the careful the class, then you pocket in our 4 marks, pocket in your 4 marks. Okay children, so here first next coming to the main construction. Okay, so here first I have to take the BC is a line segment 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So then next AB 4 centimeters, draw the 1 arc with the center of B. Help of the compass, draw the 1 arc, and next center of with the center of C, help of the compass, draw the another arc. The 2 arcs are intersect at one point, that is A. Next join the A to B and join the A to C. Then formed of triangle ABC. Okay children, next you draw the acute angle. Now you have to take the BC line segment of acute angle with the center B, then draw the acute angle BX bar. So here observe that the fraction, so which is the greater number? 3. So 3, that acute angle divided the 3 parts. So here, look here, yesterday already I told to you, here given the fraction, then divided the points. So each and every distance point of the distance is 2 centimeters. So B to B1 2 centimeters. Okay, B1 B2 2 centimeters and B2 B3 is 2 centimeters. So here, so last, so in the fraction of the highest number is 3. Then closed the figure of B3 to C. B3 to C. Okay children. Next numerator is the 2. Numerator is the 2. So then you close next inside of your diagram, close the figure of B2 C dash or C complement. So B3 C parallel to B2 C dash. Okay children. Next in AB line intersect of C to A dash. Okay children. So AC parallel to A dash C dash. AC parallel to A dash C dash. Okay children. Did you understand the main construction? Okay. Next one, steps. What we draw the diagram? How did you draw the diagram? Then you write the construction steps. Okay. Draw a triangle ABC with the measure AB 4 centimeters, BC 5 centimeters and CA 6 centimeters. Draw a ray BX bar making an acute angle with BC. Okay. Locate 3 points B1, B2, B3 on BX ray such that B1, B2 equal to B1, B2 equal to B2, B3. Okay, children. Next step is join B3, C. B3 to C. Next step is the draw a line parallel to B3C through B2 meeting BC at C complement or C dash. Draw a line parallel to BA through C dash meeting BA at A dash. Therefore, triangle A dash B C dash is the required triangle. So because of inside of triangle, so A dash B C dash the required triangle. Okay, children, it is a next 12th question. So homework also, I gave the homework. Construct a triangle of sides 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Then construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. It is a homework. Okay, children. Okay, next it is some difficult in the construction of triangles. Next problem is 13th problem. It is some difficult. So here, construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeters and altitude is 4 centimeters. Then draw another triangle whose sides are 1 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. So in this diagram, in the problem is that mixed fraction are given. Mixed fraction. So 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 by 2. It is a improper fraction. It means if you draw the diagram of outside 3 by 2. 3 by 2 numerator is the greater number, denominator is the smaller number, smallest number. So it is a outside diagram. It is a improper fraction. Okay, children. Next, now I draw the rough diagram here. Observe that because of in this diagram of in this problem is altitude also given that 84 centimeters. Okay, children. So it is a rough diagram. Draw the very neatly. Okay, children. Next, coming to main diagram. So first I have to take the BC line segment 8 centimeters. BC line segment 8 centimeters. So next we have to take the perpendicular. BC line segment perpendicular. What we draw the perpendicular? How did you draw the perpendicular? You have to take the BC line segment more than half. More than half. You have to take the measurement. So up to I have to take the with the center of B. Draw the up and down is one arc, and with the center of C draw the up and down another arc. The two intersect of arcs P and Q. The join the P and Q is the line. Okay, children, it is a perpendicular line. Okay, children, next BC line segment is the one point is there, that is a D. Intersect the D, then you have to take the altitude 4 centimeter D with the center of D. Draw the one arc altitude 4 centimeter up to here 4 centimeters. Okay, children. So then join A to B and A to C. First you draw the form of a triangle ABC. Okay, children, did you understand that? Okay, good. Next, BC line segment, you have to take the acute angle. BX is the acute angle. Then here fraction is 3 by 2 is there. So it is the fraction of highest number is the greater number is the 3. Then acute angle is the 3 parts. I divided to 3 parts, B1, B2, B3. Here also the measurement with the help of the compass. The radius is 2 centimeters. The distance is the 2 centimeters. Every measure of the every point of the distance is 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. Okay. How many parts are divided in the problem? 3 parts. Because of here 3 by 2 is there, 3 is the greater number, then I will divided the 3 parts. Okay children, next, so last is the next BC line, because of it is a outside triangle, then BC line segment produced the C dash. Next B3 C dash is joined the B3 C dash. Closed the figure, B3 C dash, then C2, then next one the AB line segment produced the line segment, join the C dash A dash, because of AC parallel to A dash C dash. Okay children, A dash C dash. So in this diagram of B3 C dash parallel to B2 C and C dash A dash parallel to AC. Okay children, it is the required triangle ABC. Because of A dash B C dash, it is a outside triangle. Okay children, did you understand that? Yes, first you observe the which type of fraction are given in the problem. Which type of fraction given in the problem? Proper or improper or mixed? Okay, 3 types of problems are explained and homeworks also given that. Okay children, so here steps write. Draw a line segment BC equal to 8 centimeters and altitude equal to 4 centimeters. First you draw the diagram ABC, because of BC is a line segment. Next you draw the perpendicular line. You have to take the more than half of BC line segment, perpendicular line. Okay children, next it is a D, intersect of BC line segment D, then altitude A to D is 4 centimeters. One arc draw. Once observe that the diagram, draw the perpendicular line, perpendicular bisector PQ of BC intersect at BC at D. Okay, draw a ray BX bar making an acute angle with BC. Next, locate 3 points B1, B2, B3 on BX bar such that B1 equal to B1, B2 equal to B2, B3. Join B3 C dash. Join B3 C dash. Next one, draw a line parallel to B2C and through B3 meeting BC produced C dash. Draw a line parallel to AC through C dash meeting BA produced at A. Therefore, triangle A dash B C dash is the required triangle. So it is a construction of triangle. Okay children. So in this chapter is very important 4 marks questions. These 4 problems are very important. These 4 problems very important. So each and this problem is 4 marks question. So must and should draw the maintenance should be rough diagram. Okay children, rough diagram, main diagram and steps must and should. Okay children, already here I gave the homework. Construct an equilateral triangle XYZ of side 5 centimeters and construct another triangle similar to triangle XYZ such that each of its sides is 4 by 5 of the sides of triangle XYZ. Okay children, it is the another construction. Okay children, okay. So today class is over. So in the construction of triangles, construction of line segments and construction of triangles, 4 problems are very important. Okay children, so give the homework, must and should do the homework children. Okay, today class is completed. Have a nice day. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.